Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast, Industry Matters Respiratory Edition. Today we're excited to have Chris Abad from Fisher Paykel on the call here. We're going to cover an interesting, revolutionary mask that Fisher Paykel has released, and we're looking forward to the discussion with Chris. Chris, welcome to the podcast. Give a quick introduction here. Let us know your role at Fisher Paykel, and we'll get started.
Thank you for your time. I'm happy to be here. I'm the product manager for our masks that treat obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. Fisher & Paykel has a range of masks, full face, nasal, and nasal pillows masks, and I'm responsible for developing marketing strategy for our OSA business in the US and bringing new masks to market.
You had mentioned this a few times, but let's just start with the basics. What is obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA, and could you describe the CPAP treatment a little bit more?
So usually when someone sleeps, the muscles in the throat hold your airway open. This allows air to flow freely from the nose and mouth to and from the lungs. In some cases, these muscles relax too much during sleep, blocking or obstructing the airway, hence the term obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. This means that air can't go to or from the lungs. The body then realizes it isn't getting enough oxygen and wakes up. This may happen hundreds of times during sleep, even though the person may not be aware of it. This breaks up sleep and can make people feel very tired and affect their overall health. CPAP stands for continuous positive airway pressure. During the therapy, the CPAP device takes room air in and blows it out at a set pressure. Your pressure level is a prescription determined by your doctor. The constant air pressure keeps the airway open and obstruction-free. This allows the person to breathe uninterrupted during sleep. The mask connects to the CPAP device via a tube and is one of the most important components of CPAP therapy because of the user's close interaction with it.
That makes sense. I appreciate that refresher. I say we, myself, the industry, we've been hearing a ton about this new mask that you just launched, Solo Pillows. Tell us a little bit more about that mask.
Yes, happy to. We just released F&P Solo Pillows a month ago. It is the world's first auto-fit mask, now available in nasal pillows. Our revolutionary auto-fit headgear technology enables patients to set themselves up without assistance. There are no straps to tighten. Simply stretch the mask over the head and allow the headgear to automatically retract onto the face. Furthermore, there is minimal instruction due to the simplicity of setting up the F&P Solo Pillows mask. It's an all-new category of mask that automatically fits. There's no need for straps.
I've been practicing as a therapist. I practiced for about 10 to 12 years in the past. I've never heard of this auto-fit feature. Sounds great. Could you tell us a little bit more about that technology behind the auto-fit?
Yeah, sure. It is powered by AutoLock technology. AutoLock technology is made possible by combining incredible engineering design with these special filament and carbon fiber mechanisms inside the headgear. It's a bit like a seatbelt. The seatbelt extends as you pull it over your body. When you click the seatbelt into the buckle, the seatbelt then automatically retracts to fit and can be locked into place. When you need to adjust, you simply pull the belt and it automatically adjusts to the new position. AutoLock technology works in a similar way. When you need to adjust the F&P Solo mask or pull it away from your face, it automatically releases and retracts before locking into the new position. There are carbon fiber mechanisms in the headgear that are manufactured to less than a hair's width of tolerance. Hence, with one simple touch, AutoLock technology makes micro adjustments to find the optimal fit. This AutoLock technology was designed to reduce over-tightening or red marks on the face.
I appreciate you giving a deeper dive into that technology, as revolutionary as it is. And so Solo Nasal came out earlier this year, if I'm not mistaken. What are the similarities, if any, between Solo Nasal and Solo Pillows?
Yes, F&P Solo Nasal and Solo Pillows are part of its own category of masks that automatically fit onto the face. On the same universal headgear, the cushions of Solo Nasal and Solo Pillows can be interchanged. This is helpful for patients in that they have the benefit of auto-fit while at the same time having option to switch between a nasal cushion and pillows cushion. For clinicians who set up patients, the staff has the option to try 2 different types of masks by simply changing the cushions on one universal solo headgear. This can be helpful for clinicians who are doing remote setups. Instead of shipping out multiple masks, clinicians can now send out one solo nasal mask and a set of Solo Pillows cushions, or vice versa.
You mentioned that the Solo Pillows cushion. What advancements have been made to the cushion themselves?
The Solo Pillows cushion utilizes this next generation of air pillow technology. The air pillow cushion has a unique and round conical shape. The cushion inflates to form a gentle, stable seal in and around the nose. The soft, thin prongs hold structure while ensuring comfort throughout sleep. This helps dissipate the contact area on the nares of the nose. Instead of prongs putting pressure directly inside of the nares of the nose, the air pillow cushion instead sits in and around the nose. This helps dissipate the contact area on the nares of the nose.
Sounds like that makes it a lot more comfortable. And it sounds like a ton of technology in this mask with the auto fit feature and then the air pillow design. I see that Solo Pillows comes in a box. Can you describe what's new, if anything, with that packaging?
Yes, I actually have one right here. Yep, comes in a box like this. This is Solo Pillows. Solo Nasal comes in a similar box, just a different color. And if I open it up, you see that the packaging was built with easy to read instructions. When you take out the Solo Nasal or Solo Pillows from the packaging, there are some fold out instructions as well with easy to follow steps and photos. When you flip over the instructions, the mask can be found inside. There's a paper insert in the packaging which continues with some sizing instructions on how to fit the Solo Pillows on yourself. The fit pack comes with 3 different cushions. The mask will already come with a medium-sized cushion. The other 2 sizes can be found underneath this paper insert here. Our design team tested this packaging with people in order to find a streamlined and easy to understand design. The packaging is also recyclable, so it's helpful for the environment.
And I know sustainability is a large focus at Fisher Paykel, so kudos to you all. What other support tools to help patients with their Solo Pillows mask are out there?
Yeah, we have the My Mask app, which assists patients in fitting and cleaning Solo Pillows masks and other F&P masks. There are short step-by-step videos that help guide a patient to fit or clean the mask. At each step, the video repeats. This allows the patient to keep viewing how to do each step before advancing forward. When the patient is ready to move to the next step, they simply need to tap the screen to move to the next step. In fact, and I'll show you on the packaging, there's a QR code on the packaging right here of the F&P Solo Nasal and Solo Pillows masks. The patients can simply scan the QR code to download My Mask app.
So it's convenient that Solo Pillows and Solo Nasal come in the fit pack. Do they all have the same sizes?
There are different sizes. So Solo Nasal comes in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and wide. The fit pack comes in just 3 sizes, so small, medium, and large. The wide size can be purchased separately. The Solo Pillows comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The cushion was designed such that a majority of patients will fit in the medium, so patients should start with that first when fitting the mask. The Solo Pillows fit pack comes with all 3 cushion sizes. The cushions and headgear can also be purchased separately.
Chris, I appreciate you covering the Solo Pillow mask here today. Obviously, Solo Nasal has been a huge success. Is there anything else that you'd like to mention going on at F&P?
Thank you for the time. We're excited to continue our legacy of innovation with the F&P Solo family of masks, Solo Nasal and Solo Pillows. We've heard a lot of positive stories about our Solo masks, and I'm happy that we're making an impact on PAP therapy. If any of you would like to learn more, please visit our website or reach out directly to your Fisher & Paykel Healthcare sales representative. Thank you.
Awesome. Chris, once again, thank you for being here. To our audience, thank you for listening in to your latest edition of Industry Matters Respiratory Edition. Thank you.